A very good morning to all the parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to the online classes of Erudite School of Learning Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, Subject Maths. So students, how are you? I hope that you are fine. Good. So the previous video we have learned the number names, that is 33, right? पिछले वीडियो में हमने क्या लर्न किया है? Number names 33. So today we will learn number names 3, 4, 34. Okay? 3, 4, 34. So now take out your pencil and eraser. Good. So now I want you to repeat with me, okay? आपको मेरे साथ repeat करना है. 3, 4, 34. What number is this? 3, 4, 34. ये कौन सा नंबर है? 3, 4, 34. Very good. Now we will spell out the spelling. Okay? अब हम spelling learn करेंगे. What's the spelling of 30? T H I R T Y. 30. Very good. Now what's the spelling of 4? F O U R. 4. 34. Good. Now again 3, 4, 34. Okay. Now spell out the spelling. T H I R T Y. 30. Now spell out the spelling of 4. F O U R. 4. Very good. Again repeat with me. 3, 4, 34. Spell out the spelling. T H I R T Y. 30. What's the spelling of 4? F O U R. 4. 34. Again repeat. 3, 4, 34. Spell out the spelling. Repeat with me, okay? T H I R T Y. 30. What is the spelling of 4? 4 की क्या spelling होता है? F O U R. 4. Very good. Again. 3, 4, 34. T H I R T Y. 30. What's the spelling of 4? F O U R. 4. Very good. You're learning, right? Again, 3, 4, 34. Spelling of 34 is T H I R T Y. 30. F O U R. 4. 34. Very good. Again, 3, 4, 34. Spell out with me. T H I R T Y. 30. F O U R. 4. Good. Again repeat with me. 3, 4, 34. T H I R T Y. 34. What's the spelling of 4? F O U R. 4. Okay. Now again the last one. 3, 4, 34. Spell out with me. T H I R T Y. 30. F O U R. 4. So today you have learned the number names of 3, 4, 34, right? So what you have to do? You have to practice, okay? In your homework, you have to practice the number names of 3, 4, 34, okay? आपको होमवर्क में क्या करना है? नंबर नेम्स 3, 4, 34 प्रैक्टिस करना है, okay? You have to learn the spelling also, okay? And in a written work you practice in one page. आपको एक पेज में प्रैक्टिस करना है, okay? Till then, thank you and have a great day.